Hello, good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Andrea Aspernegas, your student from Recent 2D, and for this afternoon, I'm going to demonstrate the application of abdominal binder. An abdominal binder is a wide compression belt that encircle your abdomen. An abdominal binder may be used to speed up the recovery process after the abdominal surgery. The purpose of this application is to encourage early mobilization and offers after surgery, reduce pain and swelling during healing, and also to avoid postoperative discomfort. And also the equipment needed is the binder with appropriate size, safety pins, gloves if needed, and also the dress materials. And now, hello, good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Andrea Aspenegas, your student nurse from University of St. Anthony, and for now, I'm going to be your student nurse. And for verification, may I know your name po, your age, and where are you from po, ma'am? And kailan po yung birthday niyo? And now, then, ma'am, this procedure po, ilalagay ko po yung binder sa abdomen nyo para po mabawasan yung sakit at pamabaga po na dyan sa abdomen nyo. And now, we need to wash our hands or sanitize it. And now, in a conjoint, fold half of the binder, slip it under the patient, pull it through from the other sides. Okay, ma'am? Now po, turn side tayo. Ayan. Then put it inside patient. Then again, ma'am, turn side again. Thank you po. Then make sure that the binder is straight, free from wrinkles, and eventually distributed under the patient. Overlap one side snugly onto the other. Then starting at the lower edge, close the Velcro closure. Then next is in the upper. Then make a darts in the binder as needed. Make sure that the binder are not too loose and not too tight. For maximum support, drop the binder so that applies even body flexion pressure across the section.